Hello, in this video I will show you how you can take screenshot with three fingers gesture on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to enable this option, so go to the settings and now go to accessibility and convenience. From here go to screenshot and here you can find three finger swipe down and also three finger touch and hold. So enable these two options and I will show you how it looks like. So first of all, the normal screenshot by using three fingers gesture is using by like that, three fingers and scroll down. As you can see, I take the screenshot like that. But also three finger touch and hold is take a partial of or scrolling screenshot. So you can do it like that. Take three fingers and hold on your screen. And now as you can see, I can release two fingers and now I'm able to sorry for that. I'm able to make the partial screenshot. So I can do it like that. I can like adjust the size of this screenshot. Let me show you again how it looks like. Three fingers, release, and now I am able to make partial screenshot. Also, I can edit from here. So basically, this is how you can use three finger gestures to make the screenshots. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.